In my video, I want to show how to pickle cucumbers for the winter in jars under a plastic lid. To make pickled cucumbers in jars, you will need the following ingredients. Pom. Cucumbers, a bouquet like this. It consists of dill, cherry leaves, and horseradish, garlic, sweet pepper, currant leaves, cherry leaves. You can also use mustard and add oak leaves, but I don't have them, so we'll manage without them. First, you need to soak the cucumbers in cold water for 1 hour, without cutting off their stems. Then we need to peel the garlic, each clove, and slice it into thin pieces. The garlic needs to be sliced into rings, thin pieces, for the mice. Then you need to clean the sweet pepper from the core and seeds. Then I cut the pepper in half and slice it into strips. Now I will take this bouquet of horseradish and dill and cut it finely with scissors. Now I take a liter jar and fill it with these seasonings at the bottom of the jar. At the bottom of the jar I place the dill previously chopped along with horseradish leaves, sweet peppers of different kinds, and garlic. All of this is for aroma, cherry leaves and currant leaves. All of this is added by eye, at the discretion of each housewife. After we have placed the seasoning, all the leaves, garlic, all the spices in the jars like this, we add the cucumbers. The cucumbers have been soaked, and now I am placing them vertically, inserting them into the jars, packing them tightly. The cucumbers need to be packed tightly to minimize empty space and fit even more cucumbers in the jar. Like this. This is how it turns out. Then, once the cucumbers are placed in the jars like this, I cover them with greens, horseradish, and dill. To prepare the brine, I use a liter of regular tap water. It can be spring or well water, whatever is available, and 1/3 of a 100-gram shot glass of salt. The salt hunter needs to be well dissolved. The brine should be well salted. Now you can taste the brine. The brine is excellent. You can put it into the jars. Here are my cucumbers, already filled with brine, and now I can calmly seal them with plastic lids. The brine in the jars should cover all the cucumbers and be filled to the very top so that during the fermentation process, the cucumbers will absorb a little brine, and it will go into the cucumbers. And we cover the last jar with a lid, making sure to securely cover each jar. From 2 buckets of cucumbers picked from my garden bed, I ended up with this many jars of cucumbers in various sizes. The cucumbers are ready for winter.